Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 5. I am your teacher Mushtaq Ahmed at Beria Foundation College, Noshar Feroz, subject teacher computer. Dear students, today we are going to study about output devices. So in the first portion that we discussed, the first portion is totally defined or first portion is totally based on the input devices, and this portion that we are going to study today is based on the output devices. So first of all we have to discuss that what are output devices. Output devices are defined as the devices that are used to display the result of processed data on the screen are known as output devices. So most common and most output device is known as a monitor. Dear student, monitor is such an output device, such an output device that is used to display the result of processed data on the screen. There are two types of the monitor that we have already discussed in the previous classes, but in this lecture we are going to study about visual display unit. Visual display output is such a form of display or such a form of result that is displayed on the screen. Dear students, screen is known as a visual display unit. There are many qualities of the monitor which have some low, medium or high resolution. Resolution is defined as a level that is measured into a pixels. Pixel is defined as that pixel is the smallest dot that makes up an image on the screen. If anybody will ask you question, what is the pixel? Pixel is the smallest dot that makes up an image on the screen, or in other words, or in our own words, we can say that pixel is the smallest unit of an image or of a picture. So whenever resolution is displayed on the screen, there are two types of the resolutions that are discussed on book page number 20. Dear students, as the picture on which I have placed my finger is known as high resolution, and the picture on which I have placed my finger now is known as low resolution. Now difference between both is that what is low resolution and what is high resolution. Resolution is also defined as it is the clear or neat display of any object on the screen that can be seen very easily is known as high resolution. High resolution image can be clearly seen on the screen, while the low resolution that is in the form of dim form is known as low resolution. Dear students, which picture has lower resolution? Here that picture is a dim that is in dim form is known as dim resolution, and the picture that seems very clearly is known as high resolution. So dear students, now I am going to display you the label of some monitors that is displayed on book page number 12. Dear students, this is LCD monitor. LCD monitor stands for liquid crystal display, and this one is CRT monitor. Dear students, LCD monitors that we also use in our computer labs or also in our homes. This is a very useful monitor that gives us the clear and neat result of processed data on the screen. Dear students, whenever we are going to use LCD monitors, that the LCD monitors less effect on our eyes, and although we are going to use our computer system for long time, there is no harm by using this device as a visual display. This is also a visual display or a monitor, but this is known as the CRT monitor. This monitor is shaped like a television. CRT monitor stands for cathode ray tube. Dear students, whenever we are going to use these monitors, mostly it becomes very harmful on our eyesight, because extra some rays comes from this monitor, which lays some effect on our eyesight. So this may be sometime harmful for us. So dear students, this is totally discussed on this visual display unit or the monitor. Now I am going to give you some homework that you will have to write down the answer of the homework and send me on a WhatsApp group. Dear students, your homework is that what is a pixel and how pixel is measured. Your homework is simple. Your homework is what is a pixel. You will have to answer this question and send me on my WhatsApp group. Allah Hafiz.